Alright, everybody, DX is here. Let's hop into it. So, yesterday I did go out of the way to do Apprentice, but let's keep going down the list. We're doing Explorer. Let's go Cacti Club. Hopefully those projectiles should help the hitting the trees, because when you hit an enemy, you spawn the projectile. That allows you to hit more things off in the distance. And we got a loot crate. Yeah, we can take plant. Get some early harvesting. I'll lock ugly too. That was a pretty bad first shop. Only 2 weapons. But we can make it work. As long as we get strong enough by wave 11, we should manage. Because as soon as the mummies come out, that's when it's going to get difficult. Perfect. Alright, let's get some luck. Cacti Club. Before. Yeah, let's risk it. Generally land. The other benefit of using Cacti Club is because it's a heavy weapon with its tag. It gives you 15% damage. That helps counteract the negative 40 that Explorer naturally has. So by getting more Cacti Clubs, as you can see, we're making ourselves stronger. We have the primitive heavy tag for getting HP and percent damage. But we still need more. So let's keep going. Also, when playing Explorer, consumable healing, like the fruit right here, tends to be very important because you have so many trees. It's the most reliable way of healing. Also building up the luck stat so the trees drop more crates. Finding early game bag. An early game bag, which gives you 15 materials on a crate pickup, also helps too. I'll just take this for the heck of it. Yeah. Alright. 10 luck. Cacti Club. Let's take injection. Lock the Cacti Club in ritual. The biggest issue with Cacti Club is how slow it is, but we can handle it. Oh, for this kind of character, it's actually weirdly overpowered when you have the boss, because you can just infinitely farm him to shoot spikes off and hit all the trees. As long as you stay around him, hitting him spawns the projectiles. So that means you can get all the trees popped. Obviously, we have nowhere near enough DPS to beat him. No thank you. Let's get some armor. Get the Cacti Club. Reroll. Lock alien eyes. If we can find a spicy sauce, that would also be nice, because that turns our healing into a source of damage as well. And if we can find Pocket Factory, that would be a massive boost to our damage. So finding a bag would be nice to kickstart the economy. Because that's the biggest problem with Explorer. It has a 50% penalty to material drop, so you can't just normally farm the way you can with enemies. You need to rely on getting things like this. That's a lot of luck. Oh, Cacti Club. Here we go. There's a bag. Immediately go after the healer, but they don't complicate things. Okay. Things are about to get interesting. What makes this hurt is I have the two looters I want to kill, but it's so hard to get in there. I'll take the... Yep. Not worth it. 10% attack speed. This point, hey, why not? When life gives you a minigun, just take it. If we can gather enough currency to actually get the minigun, especially right before Wave 9, I think I'm gonna go for it. Betting on it, but maybe. Normally I would have gotten Pocket Factory by now. But no minigun. Let's see if I can run into... Let's just take % damage. And another bag. And let's save. Now our Cacti Club is dealing enough damage to actually knock him out on the first hit, but economy is still our biggest issue. We also have 2 baby geckos, plus the event item, with like a 90% chance to automatically pick up the material. Which explains why there's not a lot on the ground, because we only get 50% material drops anyway. So far, we've gotten roughly 90 materials from picking up crates since we have 2 bags. If we're lucky, one of them's gonna be Pocket Factory. We can do this. It's not really worth it. Let's just get a minigun. Grab recycling machine. I'm not sure how good Piggy Bank's gonna be. Get some lifesteal. And mock our Cacti Clubs and adrenaline. honestly doubting I'll be able to make a huge dent, but I want to try. Yeah, no, it's not happening. And wasting this minigun is just gonna keep us alive. Just hopefully, anyway. Oh. 3 crates. I'll take that. No. Yes. Let's get, I guess, one more armor. And I know I did have the comment last video telling me to always get medical turret, but with the way our economy is, I just can't spend a lot of money on that right now. Get the range, our coupon, and let's go. Hopefully this won't be a wave killer. Oh no. We are in trouble. With spawning mummies. Oh, and of course we get the seasonal. This is gonna be fun. Hopefully we can outlast the mummies. I'm going to try and still beat the elite. Getting out of a lot of confidence in it though. I'm regretting taking whetstone because the knockback would have kept the enemies, the mummies particularly, away from us. Well, I'll take a return. Yep. No. I'll take some range damage. Now the minigun's doing too. Let's take tentacle. Definitely not taking general alien right now. Take another alien eyes, lock cacti club, grab the tree. So if anyone was wondering how Explorer gets so many trees, it doesn't show you it in the secondary stats, which would be right here. Oh, it doesn't show you it on Steam, but it does here. You effectively start with 12 trees, which is how you get so many. We still don't have the DPS. Let's ignore the boss and beat down what we can. Hopefully we can find an eliminator too, so that we can get more consumable for it. Hello. There's a leader in there. Dang it. Yep. Sure. We'll take the luck. Come on. That's gonna be massive. Cacti club. And that's gonna give us 100% pickup. Though if the game keeps offering me miniguns, like even just a second one, I'm probably going to start focusing more on range damage than anything else. Ooh, we're getting fireflies. So that is, I think that's the name for the enemies that spit bullets when hit. Grab a few consumables. It's getting uncomfortably low there for a minute. occasionally having too many sound effects going at once will break your audio. So if anyone was curious about why that just happened, that's why. Cacti, baby gecko. One life gives you lemonade. Looks like we're leaning more into machine guns. I know there's gonna be that typical person who thinks that you should have just kept going with the build you chose. But the beauty of this game is you can never really have the same run twice. It will never be exactly the same. So, hey, if it gives you something that's fun to use, just use it. The point is that you need to have fun. You should have fun. So, just go through the motions. Although now I'm regretting not taking pumpkin. This horde wave, I feel like this is a horde wave. I'll take plant. I'll take crown. Yeah. Take the attack speed. Again, that's just an ad for the game developer. I'll take that. Unlock power generator. And I'm realizing now how little HP we have. That is not good. Yeah, the game audio is probably going to start breaking due to the fact that I grabbed too many guns. I apologize in advance if that breaks anything else. I did not test the miniguns during my voiceover trials, so I'm not sure how it's going to interact. Hopefully it only affects the game audio and not mine. I honestly have no idea at this point in time. Starting to think, yeah, mine was a little bad. Not getting any of the... Well, that would have been nice sooner. The irony. There we go. Pocket factory and bag. And then just keep going. Because for me, I need to adjust how I'm playing, because on mobile, there's this version of Brotato, which is effectively Steam, but then there's a free version, and the free version has talent cards, which are basically mobile's version of mine, since we don't get that. If anyone wants to see a video on that, feel free to comment. If you want to see a build, that's also free to ask. I'm open to suggestions. One guy can only have so much imagination. But yeah, there's a definite difference as soon as we have Pocket Factory now. If we can find, improved tools to make all the turns shoot faster, because that couples with community support. I'll just take it for the range. Yeah, we can take it. No thank you. I'll take the regen. Attack speed. And a lot of percent damage. Now minigun's doing 4. I'll grab Cacti Club. Normally, I would say I would take it, but at a 1.51 cooldown, I'll just take the lemonade. Yep, let's just keep on going. starting to think I should have taken the punching load to get some knockback. Back. Yeah, I'm trying to keep the mummies from overwhelming me. There's sometimes when it's just not easy. When life gives you a minigun, but you only got so many bullets. Yeah. So, until we stop getting mummies, well, the wave ends, the base will trapped. That is amazing right now. I'll take it. I'll grab that as tip. And lock that, take lemonade. Take the cacti club. And get into it. But now, 19 extra reaching from Fairy. We should be sitting at a lot better place now. I'm sure our DPS is still lacking. But if we survive the run, it's a win. Sure, I would have loved to see improved tools, so then the turns can go way faster, but can't really depend on RNG to go your way every single time. Ooh. This boss is called Mother for kind of obvious reasons. It's spawning a lot of little enemies. Typically the little, really low HP chargers. I'll take Wisdom, Coupon. Yeah, we can take Sharp Bullet. No point there. Reroll. We'll take the 3 range damage. Recycle that. Take the Cacti Club. Take another plant. Lock scope. And sunglasses. Although now starting to make my decision for classes because I'm sitting at 5 armor. Typically for most runs to win, you should be sitting around 50 HP and 10 armor. Or a hilarious overcalculation of one or the other. Because like if you're playing Chunky, which gets a massive boost to his HP and gives you damage from his HP, you're going to be automatically taking a lot of HP. And I'm going to be counting on my turrets to work on the interior of the mass. Because Sharp Bullet gives them a pierce, so hopefully we can find some items that will give us some armor, because we desperately need it. Padding? No. I'll take a med kit. Thank you. Now. I'll take the armor. I'll take scope. I'm not taking sunglasses. I'll take tentacle. There's no point taking lure now. I'll take spicy sauce. And one last helmet. Wave 20. Let's see if we last. Obviously, I'm trying to take the fight to the bosses as fast as I can, but can't pick only the battles. I've gotten first one down to half HP, so this is about to get a bit more difficult. And the audio's breaking again. My apologies. And now it's spawning the ring, so just keep on. taking damage. One down. Now he's gonna start shooting the rings. Just need to stay away far enough to find the gaps. And our friends are putting in the work. Just a little bit more.